Hey folks,
Hello.
I fancied making some dominoes.
Why?
I have no idea, but literally I was sat there and I thought,
Sitting.
I want to make some dominoes.
Okay.
So I dug out my dominoes mould.
You haven't made Dominoes for...
I have not made
It's got to be
dominoes.
about a year or so.
No, it's 2 years.
Has it been 2
2 years
years?
since I've made dominoes. And I
Wow.
thought, I'm going to make some. So I dug out the electric blue.
When you say dug out, it was literally just above your head.
It was just above my head. I dug out the sapphire blue, which is a sparkly one.
Sapphire Storm.
And then I got the glacier,
Oh, okay.
which is a pastel blue.
It is.
I was feeling blue.
Abadi.
Abada. Yes, I was feeling quite blue.
Okay.
So you can see just in the background there, I am mixing up. I think I mixed up about 180 grams of.
You actually wrote on the back.
Because I did. I wrote on the back of this mold that it takes 160 mils. So I made up 180 because I like to have a bit,
spare.
A bit of wiggle room.
A bit of overpour.
Well, there's nothing like a bit of overpour. If I don't overpour everything, it doesn't give me anything to do when I demold. I need to, clean up and.
Wow, I think you excelled yourself on this one.
Why?
You'll
Why?
see. Do you not remember?
No, I really don't.
Wow.
Oh,
The
no.
cleanup was real.
Yeah, I do. I do remember now, actually. Now you come to mention it. So all I'm doing is into my 3 silicone pots, I'm just adding about equal amounts of the resin.
Yep.
And the reason I'm using 3 colours, if anybody is wondering, it's because I couldn't make a decision between the 3, so I thought, well, I'll just do them all.
That's unlike you, not being able to make a decision.
Well, we have really nice colours, so that's why.
Okay.
But yeah, I started off really, really careful, and then I just thought, nah, just squish it all in.
So, now, can anybody predict how this is going to turn out?
What do you mean? I think my dominoes turned out really well.
They
are awesome.
No, I think they'll turn out really well.
Maybe. Don't give spoilers. They might be rubbish. Wait and see. Don't skip to the end. Watch us all the way through.
Twice.
No, I would not wish us twice on anybody.
So, it looks like you actually had a plan at this point.
I did. I had an excellent plan.
Which was?
Well, one colour one end, one blue the other end, and then the lighter blue in the middle. But then I realised I hadn't filled up quite a few of the dominoes. And let's be real here. Sometimes it's good to just play, to just craft, to just do your thing.
Yeah.
And not worry about, it being
super perfect.
Well, I mean, let's be honest. If anyone wants super perfect, they are not watching the right channel.
No.
We keep it real.
Keeping it real.
Yeah, because whatever. But anyway.
So, now, for those that can't see, she was like doing some gestures with her hand then, like she's like down with the kids.
Yeah, at which point I normally get a grandma.
Yeah.
Like, what? Down with the kids.
Yeah.
But obviously it's domino, so you don't want people to be able to, guess and remember what domino you're holding. So you have to have a sort of a generic a generic back that nobody can tell what the
because if you had a pattern on the back,
what the tile is,
you'd notice you could actually clock that and go, right, okay.
I know that they've got 2 6s or whatever. Yeah. So you need to have a good back.
Yeah.
So I enjoyed making them so much, I made another set.
You did.
And I used pinks this time.
I know. What's going on?
I don't know, but I used electric pink.
Yep.
I used cotton candy.
Yeah.
And
strawberry
strawberry shake.
Yeah.
And I was very happy.
That strawberry shake is a nice colour, but it reminds me of the medicine as I used to have as a kid.
Oh, really?
Like the penicillin.
Yeah, the amoxicillin.
Yeah, that one.
Is what you're talking about.
Yeah.
Yeah, they don't give that anymore, I don't think.
Do they not?
I don't know. It's normally a banana flavoured one, I think. I don't know. I don't know.
They used to do both, but...
Anyway, back to my pink dominoes.
Yeah.
I really had fun just sploshing the colours all over. There was no
Smooshing.
Yeah, there was no rhyme, no reason, and I knew all the colours would mix into each other anyway,
Yeah,
and they'd
but
make
that's
their own
yeah.
kind of smooshy pattern.
Cotton candy.
So again, I popped it into the G3, and then I just put a backing on these of cotton candy
Yeah.
because
Why not?
Why
Okay.
not? I thought I wanted it to be a bit brighter than the pastel pink because
Because the
brights.
pastel's a pastel.
Yeah, to be fair, of all colours, pastels tend to sing to me more than not pastels. Bright colours
Yeah.
sing to me more than a pastel, but I do like pastel colours. So this is a good squirt.
Yeah.
That's a real wide angle of my desk. That was
a real wide angle.
Wow.
I know. Now, this is the demould. Now, this is
Yeah.
the quickest way to demould Dominoes.
Yeah.
So what you do is you just pour over all of it and then just pour them all out in one go.
What do you mean? I've pulled two out separately
You
there.
have.
And due to the power of your clever editing,
Yeah.
it's going to magically show them all completely finished and ready, isn't it?
No.
No? Are
No.
you sure? Look, they're coming out just fine.
Yeah.
At this point,
Yeah.
I was like, oh, I've done a thing.
Yeah.
I've done a thing. Happy days. Yeah. So,
Oh, there's two.
yeah. Well, the animals went on the ark 2x2. They come out of my domino mould 2x2.
They're not animals.
No, but they're dominoes. The dominoes came out 2x2. Hurrah.
Oh, look at that one. Look at that.
That's efficient. It's efficiency.
It's not really efficient though, is it? Because
I'm going to clean them up anyway, so it doesn't matter. Look, I was just having fun. Leave me be. Leave me be.
Yeah, and you've left one in there as well.
But I know.
I know you had a good old tidy up.
I did, and do you know what? This is the most fun I've had in ages. I honestly, I genuinely, thoroughly enjoyed making these.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then there's your sanding over your nail thing.
Oh yeah, I got this. So this is a nail. So you know when the nail salons they do your sanding of the nails and stuff. This is a suction thing that sucks all the nail stuff into it.
Yeah.
And I saw somebody somewhere, I think it was Instagram, I saw it, and they had this tool, and I pointed it to you, and I said, "What is that?" You said, "I don't know."
Oh.
And
yeah, because I go to the salon and get my nails done all the time.
Well, that's why I asked you. But it turns out, after some research, it turns out it is a nail salon suction thing.
Yeah.
And I'm not going to lie, it is brilliant. How I've not had one of these before, I don't know.
No. And while Nikki is filing her dominoes, I'd just like to say a quick thank you to our Glitterati members for allowing us to show you, fantastic makes like this. So you get an extra special. Thank you very much.
So once I had finished all of my sanding, I just got my silver pen and I filled in all the dots. Literally, it was that simple.
Did you enjoy that bit?
I did actually.
Just colouring
Yeah.
in between the lines.
No, I really did. There wasn't a single bit of this of making these dominoes that I didn't completely enjoy.
Wow.
I know.
So, are you going to do any more? Are we going to be over on with dominoes now instead of turtles?
Yeah, possibly. But can we not mention the turtles, please? Because something very sad happened, and I can't even talk about it anymore.
What's that then?
I can't talk about it.
Would you like me to?
No.
She's lost the moulds. She's put her turtle moulds in a safe place so that I couldn't find them and hide them. So and she can't remember where she's put them.
That's one theory. My theory is that you have confiscated them and they are hidden and that you are holding them captive.
Why would I be holding them captive?
Because you're an evil, evil person.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
That's harsh.
But fair.
No. Not at all. You've put them somewhere safe.
Well,
because you've tidied the mould cupboard.
Look, I can't talk about it. It's just too much.
It's too raw.
It's triggering me.
It's triggering.
It's triggering me.
Really?
Oh, I know. Anyway, back to my dominoes. Yeah, I really enjoyed doing this.
I saw you didn't make these, and I thought I'd quite like to do that. I'm not going to though, because I've got other stuff to do.
I know. You're not allowed to do anything until you've done the list that I have given you.
I was thinking more of my
but that's
big project.
That's the one that's the top of the list.
Yeah.
You haven't got long. You need to crack on. Anyway.
I would do, but somebody keeps putting stuff on my desk that's curing, and I can't move it, so I can't actually start it.
I don't know who that is.
No.
Anyway, that was my domino mould. What do you think?
I think it looks really good.
Let me know in the comments.
Yeah.
But I was really chuffed, and I had so much fun. Sometimes doing a make isn't about anything other than just having fun.
Yeah.
There we go. There you have it.
Just picking your stuff and just going with the flow.
Yeah, picking your stuff and doing what you fancy.
Yeah.
Definitely. And on that note, hopefully we will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye for now.
Bye for now.